I'm back at the spot that I call Seven Cedars. This is where I came and found the deer hair in my last video. I'm going to try to make this one shorter. I'm going to keep my mouth shut unless I find something. Because my kid says, "Daddy, your videos are way too long. Nobody wants to sit and watch that." I said, "Alright, expert video making boy and girls." Alright, so I'm quiet. Bye. Hole finding. Next. The eyeball beep and find Saturn key. I don't know if that's what the poachers were driving. It's right on top. Alright. Moving on. Less talk, more finds. 60s, 70s, I'm gonna dig it. This is that 60s and 70s hole. Piece of copper wire. Next hole. Good 50s. Another reason I'm kind of rushing through here is because, hold on, is because it's about 50 degrees out here right now, and it's supposed to drop into the low 30s, high 20s by afternoon. School's getting out early, and we're supposed to get snow. So I gotta hurry. See what I find. Let's see. Where'd it go? It's in here. It's right there. Ah, that's a coin. Sweet. The third one I found out here in my lifetime. I can't seem to get the sludge off of it. It's a little bit of a modern. Let me get a little quicker. Can y'all see that? Me either. Hold on. Don't get upset. Sorry, I'm wiping on my hand. Man, I gotta update my... That's like a 60 something. Oh, let me clean it off a little bit better. There it is. What did I say, 65? 60 nothing. 60 it don't focus. 65. Anybody else tired of this? Yeah, me too. Alright. Pretty excited about it. 65. Pretty clear. Maybe not. Alright, next. Next hole, got a pretty good 80s. So let's see what it is. I see it. What is it? What is it? What is it? It is a... I think it's one of those things that razors come in. See, it's brass or copper. Anyway, I don't know what it is. But there it is. Next hole. Got a jumpy 70s. Remember, the instructions for the Garrett Pro Pointer is do not use it to dig. I'm not. I'm just poking holes. I'm trying to share. It's in here. I promise. There it is, a little ball. What is it? What is it? It's a piece of a car. Fancy green car, one tire car. Didn't make it too far kind of car. I did find another piece of a Hot Wheels car here last time I came, or an old car. Anyway, next hole. Pretty good 70s in this hole, but I'm right by this power pole, so could be a piece of brass or copper off the pole, which is my guess. Wow, there it is. Oh, I've found these before. I don't know what that thing is. I've found several of them. Any ideas, anyone? What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay, enough of that. Another hole away from the pole. Good on 80s. That disappeared. Let's see if the 80s is still there. Alright, I'm gonna have to dig it a little more. I flipped it over, but anyway, I'm gonna dig it. Alright, never found it. Game over. Cold rain coming down. I'm done. Thank you for watching.